Hello friends, welcome back to channel. So I have logged into my server and today we will discuss what are the fields available in fstab and mtab. So let me clear my screen. Clear, and we'll see fstab. So fstab is a file which will get read when we are rebooting a server or when server is booting up. So in this file, we'll make an entry of the device file, whatever device we want to mount, like the device mapper RHL root is mounted on / file system type is XFS, option as default, dump is 0, and fsec is also 0. So we are already covered this thing in our detailed video. I will put that thing in a comment box. So now why we are using fstab? So fstab is used when system boots up. It will read this file and whatever entry it will found in this, it will try to mount those file system. Like LV backup will mount on /UID, but if entry is not there, the system will not read and will not get mounted. So if I remove this line, so /UID will not mount automatically. In this file, we are making an entry and this is read by kernel. Okay. While booting up is separate file called /etc mtab. This is showing currently mounted file system, okay, which is currently mounted on the system. So that's the basic difference. fstab is saying whatever you will write, I will try to mount it when I am booting up. Okay, mtab is saying I am showing the data which is currently mounted. Okay. So there are two commands. If you run mount -a command, so it will read fstab. If you use mount command, it will read mtab. So we'll make some changes. Okay, like as we know, /UID is there in fstab. So we'll try to unmount mount /UID df-h is got removed. Now, if I run mount -a, first we'll run mount command, then we'll see it's not there. Now, if I run mount -a, it will read the fstab file and try to mount UID. See, it got mounted. So, if someone asks what's the basic difference in fstab and mtab, so fstab is having the entry of the files of the block device which needs to be mounted when system is booting up. mtab is the having details of all the currently mounted file system. mtab is not created by us. Okay, fstab is created by us and we are making an entry, and fstab file is read by kernel. But mtab is not created by us. mtab is created by kernel itself. So we are not writing any data in mtab. We are writing data in fstab. And if syntax is not correct in fstab, say that particular file system will not out. And if you make some mistake in /partition, system will not boot up. Then you have to go in a single user mode and fix those things. Hope we are clear what is the use of fstab and why we are using mtab. That's all for today's video. Keep learning. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.